50D. It's the same deep depth as that. So 203. We bought this piece of furniture from a lovely lady in Balak, and her mother, I presume it was, her house, and she was obviously getting rid of a lot of stuff. It's a really nice armoire with a mirrored front. I think it was, I don't know, €50, something like that. This one you can take apart. It would be kind of a pain to take it apart. But what I'm trying to do is figure out whether it's a possibility we can get it in here to cover this rather attractive fuse board. It is rather attractive, and Lee has done a fantastic job about sorting it all out. I don't know if you remember what it was like. But what we want to do is cover it, because you can't have that in public space. So the idea is to inset this cabinet around it, but also utilise the bottom area of it for hoover, brushes, dustpan and brush, that sort of thing, for the rooms. It would make sense having it upstairs as well as downstairs. My biggest problem is the height of these beams. So when we bought the cabinet, we were told that it was 201 centimetres without this lovely cornice. And obviously we knew that. We knew we probably couldn't live with a cornice. There's nothing going to be that size with to have this, and it wouldn't work anyway. But when we got it, with the feet, it's 208. And it's 201 to that piece there. Of course, it's 203.4 to that. So if I remove the feet and the bottom of it, that gives me down to 203. So it would fit there, but it won't fit here. However, it has only 3 sides of the top of it. So we could slot it between these, and hopefully with the feet removed, the top of that will just about sit in there. Fingers crossed. So obviously we've got to get, it's got a back on it. I can't take the back fully out because the cabinet will collapse. What I can do is probably cut the back out somehow. I've also got a cut for this lovely bit of trunking out. And then maybe fix that together with a centre. My idea was to put a centre shelf in it, which separates this from the lower piece, and that will then secure the 2 sides together because the back has been, and then it may well be that I just do some bits up the side of it to secure it, and then we can offer it up. All that being said, it says, yeah, it's easy to do that, isn't it? But what it isn't easy is when you've got no, it's not in the workshop, it's up here, and it's quite difficult to manoeuvre around. So it's going to take me a while, I think. But all of this is individual pieces. So that bit there is separate, that bit there is separate, and obviously that's just the main body. So what you do is you make this piece with a profile with a simple cutter, and you make this profile with a simple cutter, And then you glue that bit to that bit to that bit, and you make this lovely cornice. So I'm going to try and get this off as well, because there is a drawer here that has a key and the drawer is locked, and we understand that the dear lady who we bought it off of dropped the key down this hole. So she did have, she did make, I'm hoping that it's nailed on, but yeah, so that's the idea, is to, I could cut a hole out of there and fish in there and have a look, but I don't remember anything rattling around when we were moving it, so...
No, I didn't hear anything rattling, but just be careful you don't step back, baby, because that would really hurt.
And then we can just saw these bits off flush to there. Step.
Yeah.
So I see it. It's not going to go. Just let's get it. Let's get it first. Should be. To you.
Me.
So that's how far are you away from there?
That much.
Right, here you go. That's it. That's as tight as you're going to go.
Yep.
Yeah. Right, so it needs to go back like that.
Yep.
And then we need, right, we're going to have to lean it forward, put the top on and hope for the best.
Okay.
Right, that's a 16.
Is that bad or good?
That's bad. We need 17. That says 15. Yeah, because we're so far off the ground here. Oh, what a bummer. No, there's no way that top's going to go on there because the top's 17. So we've put the cabinet successfully in place where we want it. However, there is an issue with the top. The top. Let me just offer it up for you, so you can see. On the beam now, it won't fit. So it'll fit on this side because obviously everything slopes down. Fits on there, lovely. See, no, absolutely no problem. But on this side, no dice. So there is, we can't cut the front off because you've got this nice bit of detail on the front, even though it's broken, but it's there and it's not going anywhere, and it looks nice. You know, the more I look at this, the more broken it is. But so the idea now.
Oh, I've just come up with a thought.
What? Because let me just explain, right? Because now we could leave this and it would probably be fine. Actually, it wouldn't be fine. Let's forget about that. It won't be fine. Ignore me. So what you just had a thought?
Wait, that thing over there,
What thing over where?
the top part of
On
it,
this here?
would that not just fit on?
No, because it fits on here.
But could you not just fit it on there?
Well, it won't fit. It's huge.
It would go up in the middle there. Are
No, it won't.
you sure?
Yeah, positive.
Okay.
100%. Because what happens... Look, well, I'll just do it, so... I'm not... I'm not calling myself... or calling you a liar, no.
No, if you bought it this side and then... No, it won't. No.
There you go. Done. That's great. He's got like a hat on a jaunty angle.
It didn't look that big when it was sitting over there.
Didn't it?
No.
No.
Okay, another plan then.
Right, so the only plan is to take the top moulding off of here, cut this down.
And put it back on.
Yeah, I'm not sure how to cut it down either. That's the only trouble. It'd be great if all the moulding came off. And then I could cut it all the way down, but I really don't know how I'm going to cut it down.
Yes. Just.
I'm going to try and offer it up. Isn't it all at the top? But obviously, I can't.
Oh, I see that. Right. That's great. Look.
Alright,
Perfect.
it worked out okay.
That looks beautiful. And it just goes so well with this piece, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, it's perfect, yeah.
That's great. Wow. It's like getting a circle into a square hole.
Yeah.
Oh, but
It's
you did
not
it.
meant to be there.
No.
Yeah. Well, what's behind it's not meant to be there.
But that's the thing. The perfect thing is that covers up all these sort of modern day needs, doesn't it?
Yeah. And when you think about what that was like before, with all its abundance of wires coming out, and Lee did a fantastic job of putting it all back together again and labelling it up, and then we just cover it up. Because you don't want to see it, but it looks fantastic. It's fully accessible, and it's you can use it for what we want it to use it for. So that's pretty good.
So if you remember, mid-January we took you for a tour around the projects that were needed for the beginning of this year, and we had 4.5 months to complete 6 rooms. This room is the first room that's almost complete, so come back on Monday to see all the finishing touches, and we'll do the befores and afters, and this room will be done, finished.
Yeah,
I can't wait, that'll be great. Anyway, we've got some thanks to go out again today. Amazing thank you for super thanks from Anne Quirk And the Jones family, again,
Jones
thank you
family,
so much.
Thank you so much. Anne,
Really kind of you.
Thank you, massive thank you, Anne. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
And thank you for the Joneses.
We've got a new patron, Melody Gary. Welcome, Melody. I think we're speaking to you on Zoom later today, actually.
Oh, fantastic.
And then Buy Me a Coffee. Thank you very much to Berenice.
Berenice, who's Bernice?
Berenice. I think it's Berenice
Yeah,
Farrell.
okay.
Very nice. I like that name. Berenice Farrell. And Irene Maynard, thank you so much for your Buy Us a Coffee. If you'd like to help support the renovations, you can go and do the Buy Me a Coffee and leave us a tip. The link is in the description. And if you'd like to join us on Patreon to see all the behind the scenes, extra footage and Zoom chats with me and Ted, what more could you want? Again, the link is in the description. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll be back on Monday. Take care, everyone.
See you soon. Like and subscribe.
Oh, no, we won't. We'll be back on Thursday. It is Monday. We'll be back Thursday.
Oh, yeah.
Days all roll into one here.
They all do.
Anyway, we'll be back Thursday. We'll see you all then. Take care, everyone.
See you later.
And I think you guys want to go for a little
Thumbs up, everybody. Thumbs up.
Take care, like and subscribe. It doesn't cost a thing.
Well, I've already said that.
Oh, have you? Sorry. Yeah. I obviously wasn't listening.
Don't ram it down their throats.
See you soon. Take care.
Bye now.
Bye.